CQ Researcher can be a useful source for background information on many controversial and current topics. The reports in CQ are written by journalists and are intended to give readers a balanced perspective on the issues covered. To access CQ Researcher, go to the UWM Library's website. Then, click Databases under the Search and Find tab and look under All Databases, starting with C. You can also access CQ from the Frequently Used Resources list, located near the bottom of the UWM Waukesha and UWM Washington County Library pages. If you already have a topic, enter a general keyword or two into the search box located in the middle of the page or at the top right. If you don't have a topic yet, CQ is also a good place to get ideas. You can browse by topic or report in the Browse By section, or you can look at the list of hot topics to the right in that same section. If you use the search bar, you will get a list of reports that most closely match your keywords. Make sure to check the date to see if the report is current enough for your topic and information needs. Once you find a report, you'll see a table of contents just below the General Information section for the report. You can scroll down to see the full report, or jump to specific sections using the table of contents. Notice that the first few subtopics listed are all general information on the topic. A broad introduction and overview, background and history of the topic, where things stand with the current situation, and an outlook for what we might expect to happen with this issue in the future. The Pro and Cons section offers two perspectives on some aspects of the bigger issue and includes a short essay from both sides. This might help give you a sense of who the stakeholders are with this topic and focus on who cares about the topic and issue, why it matters to them, and what they believe. Consider the expertise of these authors, as that might give you insight into where else you might look for information. The Chronology section will give you a timeline of major events, legislation, and more that relate to your issue. This can be helpful not only to better understand your topic, but also as a source of keywords. Is there a law or event that you might want to search in another database for more information? Toward the end of the report, there is a bibliography of sources that were used. Make note of any titles or descriptions that you might want to track down, so you can search for the materials in Search at UW and find any articles that don't already include a link in one of our databases. In the Next Steps section, you'll find links to and a very short description of sources for additional information. These sources are divided into subtopics, which can be helpful if you need more information about one aspect or perspective. The Contacts section lists relevant websites and provides short annotations giving you information about the organization. This can be helpful as they often include political leanings or affiliation, so you know that information before even heading to the site. Back to the top of the report, there are some tools near the table of contents to help you manage this source if you decide to use it. You can save the source, send the full report to your email, and/or download it as a PDF. There is also a Cite button which gives you multiple citation formats for the report. Thank you, CQ! If you have questions about using CQ Researcher or need help with your research, contact your campus librarian. Please email us with questions or to set up an appointment. We are happy to help.